Sumatera Yacht Rally 2 tahun 2022 dari berbagai negara. Selamat menikmati panorama Kepulauan Banyak, kuliner dan budaya Pulau Banyak Aceh Singkil.
To beginning is welcome. I'm on behalf of the government, community, and Aceh Singkil Regency. I would like to welcome to all of the participants of West Sumatra Yacht Rally 2022 from various countries. I hope you enjoy the beautiful Pulau Banyak culinary and also the culture of it.
We are sinking and we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright. Darling, just hold my hand. My girl, I'll be your man. I see my future. I want my life to be but what does love to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
Okay, Salamat Malam.
Selamat malam.
That's good evening. We'd like to thank the Regent and the government of Singkil, the residents of the island, everybody who has helped us to enjoy our stay here. We've learned lots of things, we've seen lots of cultural things that we hadn't seen before, we've tasted some lovely food, and so on behalf of all the yacht people that have come visiting here, we'd like to say thank you very much. Terima kasih.
Mr. Nicholas dan juga teman-teman para traveler ini yang berkunjung ke Aceh Singkil ke Pulau Banyak, pastinya mereka sangat terkesan dengan jamuan kita yang begitu semangat. Ya, seperti gala dinner malam ini, begitu antusias masyarakat dari Pulau Banyak ini sendiri menyaksikan mereka hanya untuk melihat makan malam yang seperti ini. Mereka sangat senang, dan juga seperti acara welcome tadi pagi mereka juga senang. Terima kasih katanya untuk cenderamata yang sudah kita beri.
Mister! Mister! Mister!